Hello everybody. I want to go over a question I got about this week's homework. So the question I got was about a problem just like this. It asks us to find an equation for a line passing through two given points. So to start with a problem like this, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to find the slope. And to do this, we're going to use a fairly simple equation, which I'm writing down here, which is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You can remember this simply. It's the same sort of thing as rise over run. The y's represent our rise, and the x represent our run. So, same sort of thing. So let's get started with this. Our y2 in this case is -1/2. Our y1 is just 1. Our x2 is 4. And our x1 is 1. So this should equal our m. So let's move on and find our next step. So -1/2 minus 1 is -3/2. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the same thing as saying -3/2 times 1/3. And from here, the 3's cancel out, and we're simply left with -1/2 as our slope. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and plug that into our y equals mx plus b formula for lines like this. So y equals mx plus b. And we know that our m is -1/2. So y equals -1/2 x plus b. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to plug in one of our known sets of values from up here into this equation and solve for b. So out of these two coordinates, I think this one's going to be a lot easier to work with, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to plug in 1 into the x value and 1 into the y value. So this becomes 1 equals -1/2 1 plus b. Now from here, we just get 1 equals -1/2 plus b. And to get b all on its own, all we're going to do is we're going to add 1/2 to both sides, which finally leaves us with b equals 3/2. Finally, let's just plug that into our equation, which ultimately gives us y equals -1/2 x plus 3/2. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.